Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about a shoe that we just did a review on, man. We're talking about the LeBron 7 MVP. We just did a review on that. You guys can check that out. That's on the channel. But we have the LeBron 7 MVP PS. The PS stands for postseason. I was able to call in a favor for my man Johnny. He has the PS version, so I thought it'd be dope to bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and help us get to 1,100 subscribers, man. Right now we at approximately 1,035 subscribers, man. So help us get to that 1,100 mark, so that way, you know, we can keep growing this channel. You know, more people get looks at it. You know, hopefully you guys like what I'm doing here, man. So I'll do it for you guys, man. But we also have the merch website, man. The merch website is p4yt2016.com, man. You guys get all the merch I'll be wearing, this shirt, this hat, these pens that I have on the hat, man. You guys, all that stuff is available. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT, man, for latest updates and all the, you know, anything Penny for Your Thoughts related. It will be on the IG or the Twitter. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. LeBron 7 PS. The PS stands for postseason. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, this shoe pretty much look just like the LeBron 7 MVP that just came out the retail, but this one doesn't have an air bubble, man. So there's no air bubble on this shoe, but it's pretty much a lot of the same things going on. As you can see, you got the gray quilted material right here on the side. You have the gold Chanel right here with the burgundy outline of the swoosh here. You have the same gold LeBron logo here, gold and white. Go over to the back, it says witness on the pull tag here. More leather back here. You have the MVP here. You have more of the burgundy inside of the shoe because the PS is pretty much a LeBron 7, but it's just a little lighter because there's no air bubble and a couple of different Nike technology things going on in the shoe. More quilted gray on this side with the gray swoosh with the outline right here, the burgundy outline. You got leather toe box right here on the shoestrings. You have the LeBron 7. This is L7, and then it says PS for the postseason shoe. You have the LeBron logo in gold right here with the LeBron logo right here on a gray quilted material on gold. Just pretty much the same shoe. I just figured I'll bring it to the channel, let you guys get a look at it, so you guys can see exactly what's the difference between both shoes, man. This shoe is very, it's pretty much, it was the lighter shoe like I mentioned in the other videos. Very light. LeBron was able to get off his feet faster. And it's just, you know, pretty much more the same. Like you got the MVP here, witness on the right foot, man. On the left foot it said witness. It's not like the other one that said two different things on both of the pull tags on the other shoe. I think this shoe is clean, man. I'm just more of a fan of the regular OG LeBron 7 model. I like that model better, but let me know what you guys think. You guys think the other model was better? Leave it in the comments below, man. You know, just, you know, be honest with your rating, man. Answer all comments. I get right back to you guys as soon as possible. Yeah, man, I just think this is a clean shoe still, man. Which I know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe, man. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe, man. I'm gonna give these joints, man, 4 pennies, 4 out of 5 pennies, man, because I like air bubbles on shoes and make the shoes more comfortable, you know, and they a little more stylish with the air bubble. Gives it a little more pop to it, man. It's pretty much a lot of the same things going on. On the sole here, you have the white here with the clear. It was a clear sole here with the gold, but this shoe is so old and it also been worn. You know, me and my friends, we wear our shoes, man. We're not big resellers or anything like that. We get our shoes, we wear them, we get them in our size, and we wear them. And the inside here, you have the burgundy, you have the LeBron lion here, and the inside, you got more of the white here, and then you have the zoom air in the shoe. Right here in burgundy, it says zoom, man. So yeah, man, this clean shoe, man. I give this joint 4 out of 5 pennies, and I think Nike, you know, did the right thing by dropping the regular OG LeBron 7 MVP. But y'all know what, it's time for us to get up out of here, man, as we continue to keep it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.